So standing, feet hip width apart, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine the crown up towards the sky, chin parallel. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Bring the arms down, turn the palms out, bring the arms up, hands together, and then bring the hands down to the chest. So inhale, bring the arms up, palms together, exhale, hands to the chest. So inhale, looking up, exhale, follow the hands down. And inhale, and exhale. One more inhale and exhale down. Bring the arms in front of the body, then bring them up and around. Swap the arms over. And bring them up and around and swap. So just in your own time, keep the breathing natural and just go within your range of motion. Okay, so we're going to work on the lower back with the hip rolls. So feet a little bit wider than hip width. And just circle into the hips as if you were using a hula hoop. Try and tilt backwards and forwards as well. Then we'll go around the other way. And then swapping in. And one more. So balance pose, dancer's pose. You're going to stand on the right leg, take hold of the left foot with the left hand, and then bring the right arm up. So you can stay here if you want to, or you come forward into dancer's. So just make it a gradual movement. You just come a little bit further forward and then get your balance and then try and come a little bit further. So just in your own time. Now we're coming down and we'll do the same on the other side. And take hold of that right foot with the right hand, lifting the left arm. Either stay there or gradually working our way forwards. So we're lifting that back leg. We want to keep the distance between the foot and the bottom. And coming down. Now standing pose, we'll start with high lunge. Left foot forward, right foot back. Front knees bent, back leg straight. Knees tracking in line with the toes, shoulders above the hips. So if this is a struggle, just stay there, or we're going to add a twist. We're coming back to the middle, so inhale first, and exhale, twist. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. For two more. Exhale, and inhale. Exhale, and inhale back. Bring the arms down and we'll swap the feet over. The right foot forward, left foot back. Both sets of toes facing forwards. Knee pointing forwards above the ankle. So either stay in the basic pose or add the twist. So inhale first, exhale twist. Inhale center. Exhale twist. Inhale and exhale Inhale. Exhale. So one more. Inhale back. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Bring the arms down and come back with a good posture. Then take the shoulders back and down. Crown to the sky. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose if you can. And just try and feel the heartbeats with the upper hand. And we'll bring the arms down and we're all done.